Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I am going to be recreating this on my face. So first of all, I'm just going to be doing it at this side of my face. So let's get into this video. So first of all, I am just going to be putting the glue around that part where I want to create the injury. So next up is to place the tissue paper right on that place where I applied the glue. Okay, so if you've been watching my other videos, you know what I use this earbud for, but if you haven't, I'll just explain. So first of all, I dip the earbud into water so that I can use it to melt this tissue off, because this tissue, it's like melts with water, so I just use the earbud to melt it out easily, and so it won't look too rough and artificial at the same time. So that's what I use the earbud for. Step is quite dangerous, so I don't advise you to do it. You can easily do this style that I'm doing, but I use the blade to like cut in between, then open it apart with my hand. But you can get something else that is sharp. I'll show you later on in the video to like create that. But I think with a blade it's easier off, but you can use this blade. That's when you have like different layers of this tissue on your face. At this point I had just like a layer, because what I was doubling was like still the same thing from one part of the tissue. So yeah, then okay, yeah, so this is the part where I use something else, so you can get something that isn't sharp, that won't hurt you. To move into the next step, which is applying your foundation. I'm using a dark shade to apply around the edges so it doesn't look obvious that there is something there, but at the end of this video to still show him. But anyway, that is why I use like a dark shade. Then I'm going to go in with my own shade. This is a little bit lighter than me, but since I had like a darker shade underneath, I didn't actually care. So right now I'm just going to allow you watch the video to the end. Please do like, subscribe and share.
Find
And this is the final stage of this particular look, but my phone decided to misbehave due to storage, so I couldn't like video everything, but I was able to video some parts. So in case you don't watch those parts that I missed, I'll get to like do another look like this again, so that I can see like the full thing. But there's nothing serious there, it's just to like apply the color and then do the black eye.